Good morning, YouTube. As you can see behind me, we've got the bike up on the lift and we're getting ready to do the exhaust upgrade. Now it's just a set of slip-ons for now. At some point, I want to do a full exhaust system, preferably D&D. But as of right now, we're going to be getting rid of that stock one. We got to do a startup on it, sound test and all that stuff so y'all can see the decibel reading and whatnot. So let's get started. Alright, I don't have the best setup to be doing this, but I've got my phone set up on a tripod. I'm going to try and do a screen recording of the sound. And see what we get. And you know, this is just a free decibel meter on a phone, so I'm gonna try and overlay this whenever I'm doing the sound or doing the video. I don't know. I've never had to do anything like that before, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so that was the sound. Now let's make those disappear and we'll get the new ones on. Alright, so here's what we got. These are Amazon special, because it's what I can afford for right now. Sharkroad, I believe I ordered the 4.4. There's our new hardware. Just throw that right there. And this is a megaphone style exhaust. Here's what the tip looks like. Inlet. Nice flow through design. It's a heck of a lot better than what we got going on in there. Give me 1 second, get a flashlight. Just, yeah. So this is gonna let her breathe just a little bit better. So let's get going. All right, so replacing the exhaust is pretty simple. 2 bolts here, 1 bolt for your clamp for the slip-ons. Replacing the whole head pipe and everything, I was obviously a little bit more involved in that. So these are 1/2 inch. We'll go ahead and get those cracked loose. And I believe that the clamp is 5/8. Of course, I'm off on that. 9/16. Now for the clamp. Clamp is loose. Now, just kind of spin it as you're pulling. Shake it up and down. There you have the left side slip-on with the small inlet, which is the one we pulled out of the box a second ago. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the two. Sharkroad is going to stick out just a little bit farther, which is fine with me, as long as we stick out even. A little bit larger diameter on the end of them, so it'll fill that gap in the bags just a little bit. Let's get it on there. All right, putting it on there is reverse of taking it off. Just make sure you may have to open up your clamp just a little bit more so it'll slip over the pipe. All right. I'm just going to snug this up. And these are metric, so looks like a 10 millimeter. That's the left side. Right side is going to be the exact same. So y'all really don't need to see me do it again, do you? I didn't think so. All right, well, that was the second time I had fired it up with the new exhaust on it. I like it. The first time I did do it with the decibel meter on my phone, and I don't know about you guys, but I could definitely tell there was a difference, and the decibel reader was saying there was a whole 3 decibels difference. So yeah, I'm gonna get it button the rest of the way up, and I'm gonna run her down the road. I did get everything tight. Just gotta put the saddlebags back on, put my kickstand plate back in the saddlebag, and take her down, and we'll be rolling.